Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ethiopian Tradition YouTube channel. On this channel, I will take you on an exciting journey through Ethiopia's cultural treasures. This is more than just a channel. It's a space for all of us, Ethiopians and lovers of Ethiopian culture alike, to connect, learn, and share Ethiopian tradition languages, music, and dances with respective religion. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this journey with others. Together, let's preserve and celebrate Ethiopia's incredible traditions for generations to come. Thank you, and let's get started. Welcome to Addis Ababa, the heart of Ethiopia, the diplomatic capital of Africa, and one of the fastest growing cities on the continent. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the story of Addis Ababa, a city that's not only rich in history, but also shining with modern progress, beautiful new landmarks, and incredible transformation led by visionary leadership. From traditional roots to futuristic skylines, Addis Ababa truly represents the spirit of Ethiopia, proud, strong, and moving forward. Addis Ababa, meaning new flower, was founded in 1886 by Emperor Menelik II and Empress Teta Batul. From its humble beginnings, it grew into the political, cultural, and economic hub of the nation. It is home to the African Union headquarters, the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa, and dozens of embassies, making it a true capital of African diplomacy. But beyond politics, Addis has always been a city of diversity, where people from all regions, languages, and cultures of Ethiopia come together as one. In recent years, Addis Ababa has been going through a historic transformation. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, the city has been completely reimagined, with modern infrastructure, beautiful green spaces, and world-class architecture. Skyscrapers are rising, roads are expanding, and public spaces are becoming more vibrant than ever before. Let's talk about some of the most remarkable development projects that have reshaped Addis. Unity Park, located inside the National Palace. This park showcases Ethiopia's history, culture, and wildlife. It symbolizes unity, peace, and a new beginning for the country. Friendship Park, a breathtaking green space in the heart of the city, designed for families, recreation, and cultural events. It's one of the most beautiful parks in Africa. Entoto Park, built on the historic Entoto Mountain. This park combines nature, history, and adventure. It offers zip lining, cycling, cafes, and an amazing view of the whole city. Meskel Square renovation. Once a simple open area, it has now become a modern landmark for public gatherings, concerts, and national celebrations. Each of these projects reflects a new era, one where Addis is becoming not only a modern city, but also a place that respects its heritage and natural beauty. Addis Ababa's transformation isn't just about buildings, it's about people. The city has become a center for innovation, education, and entrepreneurship. New shopping malls, hotels, and residential buildings are creating jobs and opportunities for millions. The Addis Ababa-Adama Expressway, the light rail transit, the first of its kind in sub-Saharan Africa, and the modern Bole International Airport expansion all show how Addis is connecting Ethiopia to the world. Technology parks like ICT Park are attracting young professionals and digital startups. Education is also growing fast, with universities, research centers, and training institutions spreading across the city. Despite challenges like rapid urbanization and housing shortages, the people of Addis Ababa continue to show incredible resilience and creativity. Their energy is what truly drives the city's progress. Addis Ababa is more than just concrete and steel. It's a city full of life. Walk through Piazza and you'll feel the charm of old Addis with its classic architecture and coffee aroma. Visit Bole or Sarbet and you'll see the vibrant new side full of cafes, fashion, and nightlife. From the historic Holy Trinity Cathedral to the modern Science Museum, every corner tells a story. And when the sun sets over Entoto Hills, Addis glows with both tradition and ambition. The people, warm, proud, and welcoming, are what make this city so special. Addis Ababa isn't just a capital, it's the living heartbeat of Ethiopia. Today, Addis Ababa stands as a symbol of a new Ethiopia, one that is developing, united, and looking confidently toward the future. Under the vision of the government and the effort of its people, Addis has become a place of hope, opportunity, and transformation. From Unity Park to Entoto, from Meskel Square to the Science Museum, every landmark tells a story of change, growth, and national pride. As we look ahead, Addis Ababa continues to bloom, truly living up to its name, the new flower of Africa. Right, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful, entertaining. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for spending your time here with me. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.